What's good, everybody? It's your boy. You're back in here with me. We got another hat unboxing for y'all real quick. Like, nothing too subtle, nothing too big. We got one box from the good folks at Neweracap. I'm already recording this. Hopefully, matter of fact, man, I'm tripping. Hopefully, everybody had a nice holiday. Everybody got what they wanted for their good Christmas festivities. By the time I drop this, it will be New Year's Day right now. Probably won't get it uploaded till probably like Saturday though, but hopefully everybody had a safe New Year, man. And hopefully y'all partied in the house, you know, just because even when all this wasn't going on, you know, on New Year's, it tend to get a little wild and everything. I usually go to Vegas for New Year's, skipped out on that, you know what I'm saying? Just because, you know, it would have been, you know, it's still, a lot of people in Vegas right now still going, but, you know, for New Year's, it tend to get kind of stupid. I watched a couple of live streams. Wasn't as packed, but it was still packed. So, you know what I'm saying? I just, you know, did my own thing at the house, you know what I'm saying? I had a couple of people over and just did it like that. So, hopefully y'all had a safe New Year. Like I said, hit me down below. Let me know how y'all things went, what y'all did and whatnot. But like I said, y'all came here for what you know you came here for. Got Neweracap in the building with some of their releases. This one took forever to get here, man. This bounced around to like 4 different cities by the time it actually hit California before it actually gets to me. So that's why this one's getting, you know, unboxed and reviewed a little late. So with that being said, we got it in. We're going to bust it open. We got 2 caps in there for y'all. We got a Neweracap in the building. We're going to get into it. You already know after the good, you know what I'm saying, introductions and everything with my name across the screen. I don't know. I like that. It's a thing. So we're going to let that pop and we're going to bust this open, man. You already know what it is. It's your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Stay tuned. We're going to bust it open. You already know what it is. Like I said, man, without hesitation, we're going to bust right into it. Like I said, we got 2 caps from them. This drop, it was a little talked about, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, you know, New Era good for dropping. You know what? New Era is kind of hard to explain. I know everybody, you know, all the big hat places get their stuff from New Era. They put it together for them, you know, the concepts and collabs and all that good stuff. But when it comes to the standalone New Era releases, like they just did the Fear of Guys, I got my hand up, man, I got like 3 coming from like 3 different places. It was crazy. It's a thing. Stay tuned for that video. Comment down below if you were successful on that one. Just let's get that out the way right now before I even drop that video. But I was lucky to get my hand on some. But back to this one here. When they release their stuff on their site, that's just what they do. I mean, sometimes they swing and miss, and then sometimes they drop some good stuff, like one of the ones I got on. This one, they could have knocked this out the ballpark if they would have made the waves go all the way around. They didn't. They stopped it halfway, and they left nothing. I don't know. That's what I'm saying. They come out with a concept that's just crazy nice. Then they just, I don't know, man. It just falters through. But we got 2 good pickups here from them, and we're going to get into the first one. This one, I really liked it because, I mean, you really can't go wrong when you choose this team. And just to get right into it, it's the Chicago White Sox, and the name of this release was the Pride Patch Series. Now, the reason why I got Chicago, as you know, I mean, you really can't beat a Chicago logo. You got the sock, you got the White Sox, and then, of course, they put the actual All-Star patches on each side. Well, this one's the World Series patch. This one's the All-Star patch. Then on the back, man, now this one, they definitely hit out the park. I love this sock logo. This is one of my favorite sock logos. I mean, really, you know what, just to keep it solid, I'm a big fan of all the White Sox logos. As you seen, I got if you just recently watched the last video, a couple of videos back, I got the Chicago White Sox timeline. To me, when you do a hat like this, and let me know what you think down below if this is a true statement or not, to make this kind of cap work, you gotta have a team that has some deep-rooted history and that has the logos to go with that kind of change. You know what I mean? Like, they rock these different logos. They have different logo changes. Like, if you have a team and you do a hat like this and the logo is pretty much similar every time you do the logo, it's not going to really work, because with this kind of hat, you're going to want variety. You're going to want something different. Every time you turn the hat, you want to see something different. And with the White Sox, you get something different. You know what I mean? Arizona Diamondbacks. You get something different. Like, there's a lot of teams out there that have the nice alternate logos that really put some thought in behind the alternate logos. You know what I mean? This one, definitely one of the ones that hit out the park. A lot of times when, you know, New Era drops caps, they like I said, this one, they kind of dropped the ball on. It's a nice concept. They didn't finish it because it didn't go all the way around. Finally, something like this one they dropped, and they definitely hit it out of the ballpark. Nothing really spectacular going on with the bottom. That would have just set the whole release off. They'd have did something under, like, you know what I'm saying, like how Hat Club is known for doing the silk underlining and everything. That would have just sent these to another level. But for the most part, am I happy with it? Absolutely, man. I mean, these things are dope, and these are some of the better side patches that they use on the hat that has been used, you know, when you just rocking just a Sox hat with a side patch. So in essence, they gave you the best of both worlds. They gave you dope logos all the way around the hat, dope side patches on there. Didn't too much under the bottom because they let the hat speak for itself, and I'm here for it. You know what I'm saying? So definitely dope with the pride patch. Now this one here, I've seen this one make the rounds on social media. I rolled the dice. I rolled the dice on it. I looked at it when I bought it. I was like, yeah. Then when it was already in transit, I was like, you know what I'm saying? You've seen a couple of videos that I've done New Era when you just see a hat, like, case in point, we just gonna put it out there. That hat with the flowers on it, I don't know, man. I just impulse buy. You know, it happens. It happens to the best of us when we buy. You know, sometimes you just hitting the button and you just buying. Now this one here, this is the Bodega series. Now they released a couple of different ones. I believe they had the Dodgers Bodega with the side patch on the back. I mean, I wanted to get something different with it. I didn't want to get the Dodger one with just the Bodega patch on it. I went all the way in, and I got the one where, until I didn't know, at the time when I was seeing it, somebody did say it spells out Bodega. You know what I mean? As you see, if you go around it, you got the B-O, you know what I'm saying, the D. And I guess they're using the expos, you know, for the E right there. I mean, I get it, but you can say it's the M. But I guess since that makes the E highlighted, it does make sense. You use the E right there. You got the G, and they use the A from the LA. Now, is it a dope concept? You know what? I'm here for it. It's different. Now, like I said, you know me, I'm going to keep it a buck with y'all. Will this get a lot of run? You know what? With that green under, let me tell you something. If I find something that'll flash with this hat, just to make it go, oh, absolutely, I'll give it some run. Will it get some run just on the everyday norm? I mean, probably not, you know what I mean? Since it's one of those, you know, nice little collab, you know what I'm saying, special drop hats. I mean, I would have to have something where I know I'm going to knock this out the park and put it on. This isn't something you just want to throw on and just rock it, you know what I'm saying? Now that I got it in hand, it's a dope concept. I like what they did with it. You know what I'm saying? They put some thought into it. Got the purple button up top. I like what they did with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to front. Like I said, everyday wear hat, nah. If I get something, you know what I'm saying? If I got some shoes that I can knock this out with and put it on just to be different, because maybe a lot of people didn't grab it or just didn't like it. Like I said, you already know how I rock with it, fellas, man. I always want to stand out and be different. So for the people that didn't pick it up, you know what I'm saying? I mean, is it nice in hand? I like what they did with it. I'm not going to front. I came in hoping for the best, but kind of low-key expecting the worst when they throw these kind of logos all on one hat. But I'm going to be honest with you, it's not that bad. Man, they bent my brim a little bit, though. I'm going to have to flatten this bad boy back out. Probably because, I don't know, they be trying to stuff two in these little boxes, man. But, yeah, my brim is a little messed up. But, you know, I can handle that on the back end. Then you see the under right there. You got the little special tag in there. Says the Bodega on it. Nice little touch just to let you know it's something different going on with the hat. Got the black guts in there. Like I say, you got the green under. Nothing else too special going on with it. All them logos and so on there. Got that back sag, and that's a lot of weight to hold up. You got that tone on New Era. Nothing different. Like I said, now I got it in hand. You know what? I'm not going to lie. I'm not disappointed. I mean, it came out nice. To me, this is one of those nice concept hats, and if you're going to rock it, just make sure you rock it, and it's going to go with whatever you rocking with. There's something you can't just throw on. Not even, you know what? You could probably try it with a t-shirt, but like I said, you want to make it stand out, get you some kicks that got similar with the colors on there, and you can turn it out. You feel me? Definitely turn it out. Just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? So, now that I got it, do I regret the buy? Not at all. Definitely a different looking hat, and I like it. Came out dope. Not disappointed at all. So, that's the pickups from Neweracap. You know what I'm saying? Got your Bodega collab. You got your, what do they call this again? The Pride Patch, Chicago White Sox. This one here, they knocked it out the park in my opinion. Let me know down below what you think. This one, definitely happy with. This one is different. Now, you know what? I'm the kind of dude, like, now that I got it, just to rock it, just in case I ain't going to see it out there a lot like that. I want to see if I can find something, you know what I'm saying, for our kicks back there on the wall that'll definitely freak out with this hat. Hey, you got some opinions? You already know. Hit me down there in the comments. Let me know if you picked up one. A couple of these, if I'm not mistaken, I think all of these sold out now. All the versions they had of this. The Pride Patches, there's still some sitting on the site, but the more favorable teams, of course, are gone. Like, I think the White Sox are gone, too, at this point right now. But that's the pickups, man. You got the Bodega. You got the Pride Patch drop. It's your boy, man. You already know what it is, man. Let me know what you think of them down below. Let me know if you picked up. Let me know what you think about them. Them Pride Patches, man, they did their thing. Definitely like those, you know what I'm saying? But, like I said, we got a lot more coming. Mail is trickling in snow. I still got stuff back there, but it's like some of the stuff I gotta wait for other stuff to come with it because it either came from the same place or I got stuff that I just gotta wait for it to go with some of the stuff over there. So, like I said, definitely more coming because there's always more coming. You already know what it is, man. It's your boy. I'm gonna go and get up out of here. Like I said, man, hope y'all had a good new year. Like, subscribe. You already know what it is, man. You rock with your boy, man. I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Always the next one, man. It's your boy. I'm gone.